Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to share now. Start by confirming location services are on so the map shows your blue dot. Open Apple Maps. The blue dot is your current location. If you use Google Maps, the flow is similar. Once the map centers on you, tap and hold the blue dot to drop a pin, which fixes your exact spot. Make sure the person you'll send to is reachable via messages, mail, or has a saved contact on your phone. Now share the pin through messages so it's instant and tappable. Open Messages and pick the conversation. Tap the app drawer, then the Maps icon or the Location Pin option. If you dropped a pin already, choose Share Location or Send My Current Location. Once done, you'll see a map preview in the message. Tap Send. The recipient gets a link they can open in Maps. This is fast, shows exact coordinates, and avoids typing in a finish by choosing alternate share methods if needed. Mail, AirDrop, or third-party apps all accept the dropped pin or pasted coordinates. For live tracking, open Contacts or Find My and select Share My Location for an hour, until end of day or indefinitely. If sharing fails, make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active, GPS has permission, and low power mode isn't restricting updates. If problems persist, toggle location services off and back on, then retry. This often clears a temporary GPS hiccup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.